Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we are going to be looking at how we can create our Facebook page. My name is Kayode, the founder of the Smart Concept. Now let's get started. When you get to your Facebook profile, now you click on this here. You click on this button here. Okay, this one here, you click on it. Now when you're done with that, it's going to take you to this page. Then you look for pages, and this is pages here. Click on pages, then you click on create page, which is this one. Okay, so when you're done, then the next thing is, what do you want to name this page? So you can name it your business name. You can give it your brand name or your business name. So the one I want to create is Toyin Awodunmi. So that's our own business page. Okay. When I'm done with that, I click next. Then it takes you to what category best describe the page you want to create. So I want to create this for personal blog, product service. Let me look for one that it's personal. So I'll click on personal blog. Then category. What category is it? Okay. I think I'm okay with just one. Let me put personal blog there. Now, popular categories. Okay, I think I like music and band. That's what this page is about. Then I'll click on next. Okay. After that, it is going to take us to the next page. Do you have a website for Toyin Awodunmi? Uh, okay, I think I will be using the WhatsApp link for this one. So let me go and get the WhatsApp link. Now the page has disappeared. So how do I find it? Because I have not actually filled it up. So what do I need to do? I'll click on I'll click on this. Okay. Then I will go and switch it. I will go and switch my Facebook profile to a Facebook page. You see? So I'll click on this switch. This switch profile. I'll click on it. All right. So I'll click on it. Then it's going to bring these options. So you have pages and profile. So the one that has T is the page I'm trying to create. That's why it does not have a photo. So I'll click on it to continue the work. So I'll click on this now. I'll click on this to continue. Now with this I need to put in my Facebook. I need to put in my banner, and I need to fill in all that I need to fill in there. So that's what you are going to do. Now note, for some of you that may want to create your Facebook page, by the time you start off the way I started, you may not see create page. That is because you have actually at one time or the other create a page. So what you need to do, follow the process that I have showed you earlier. Okay, you switch your Facebook profile to Facebook page the way I've just done some couple of seconds ago. Okay, now let me show you again. Now let's say we have this. Okay, this is your Facebook page. I mean your Facebook yes page. If I want to switch to Facebook profile, I will click on this, then switch profile. Then I will select what I want. I select this, and then it's going to take me here. Now if I want to go back to page, I'll click the same thing, the same page here, then switch profile, then select the Facebook page. So that's how to do that. So let's continue. Now I want to edit for that, so I'll click on this. So I'll try and take a photo. Uh, let me see this one. No, not this one. Let me see. Okay, let me see select photo on Facebook. Let me go to this one. Okay, just once. Okay, this one. I'll click on this. Okay, on this one. And then I will update it. Okay, now that has been updated. So what other things? Now this banner, you can also do that for banner. So you can do that for banner. You can look for a banner that describe your business, what you are doing. So this one is a musical band, a musical brand. So I'm going to look for something that is related to musical and upload it there. But I don't have it here now, so I'll just continue. Now the next thing I want to do is to just edit public details. So this is where I put my cover photo, but I don't have it yet now. Then my bio, I'll click on add, and then you write about yourself or your business. Okay, so I'll just put so it has to be a short bio. So I have done this one. Then I'll click save. Now that one is there. Then I'll feed the other ones too. Hobbies, I'll put it there. Featured, I'll put it there. Then edit your contact info. So I'll put my contact info here. Is 070. That's the contact info of the person I am trying to create this for. And then the country code, that's Nigeria. I'll look for Nigeria and put it there. Okay, now 038569526. Okay, once that is done, I click save. So I can add work experience, education, where I live, hours of business, and my price range. I can put all of that there. And then when I am done, I think I can now leave that page. So that is how to go about creating your Facebook page. In your own case, you have to fill in all the data, and then you have to fill in such a way that it will be attractive and it will be highly optimized. I hope that is clear. So that is how to create a Facebook page.